Welcome to Calgary Lifestyle. I'm your host, Diane Planidin, a local realtor in Calgary and licensed with Royal LePage Benchmark. And today I wanted to talk to you on this frosty Saturday morning about the pros and cons of buying a condo. So let's get started. Let's begin with an apartment condo. Apartment condos can be 4 stories high or they can be 40 stories high. It depends on the building. The one thing to majorly consider in an apartment condo is your lifestyle. Is it right for you? Do you want to just lock the door and leave, feel the security? Maybe your building has extra amenities. Maybe you have even a concierge at the front door. The biggest thing to consider in an apartment condo is privacy and convenience of living there. When I say privacy, maybe you don't feel like walking down the hall and running into your neighbors all the time. Or maybe the walls are a little thin and you're tired of hearing their television set. There's a lot to consider in an apartment condo, and one main consideration is the construction. It has to be constructed very, very well. When I talk about is it convenient, do you have a pet? Do you like to walk your dog every morning? Do you feel like going down 35 stories in order to go out your front door, or schlepping your groceries upstairs? Is there underground parking? Is it heated? Do you have extra storage for your bicycle and things that you would take to the mountains for the weekend? Think really, really hard about apartment living and whether it matches your lifestyle. The next building is a townhouse, or sometimes called a row house condo. Now, these are actually can be quite sweet because the design and how it blends into the environment, into the architecture, it can be quite stylish. The one thing I like about a townhouse condo versus an apartment condo is that you usually have a front door, and sometimes you even have a little bit of a yard. Maybe, though, you might not have a garage, or the garage could be detached from the townhouse. There's a lot of pros and cons to townhouse living. It's very similarly a lock and leave situation, so if you do want to get away for the weekend and not worry about anything, a townhouse condo is nice. I like a townhouse condo because I do have a dog and I love having a front door. And also with the townhouse condo, you don't have to worry usually about the exterior maintenance. And that's what people are sometimes looking for in their lifestyle. Do you want to have to mow the lawn, etc.? Do you want to have to worry about the roof repair, etc.? Now, the other thing you should consider about condos is the monthly fee and what they include. But let's go on to the Bearland condo. Usually a Bearland condo is a community with detached homes, and the amenities included are literally just who's going to be shoveling, who's going to be maintaining the roadway, and that is usually a management company that is hired for a Bearland condo community. So you don't have to worry about landscaping of the community, and there are some architectural controls in the community, but you still do need to take care of your own front yard and your own backyard. And it's like having a house, a detached house as usual, but there's usually a small condo fee for the maintenance of the grounds surrounding your property. So you really need to inform yourself on what suits your lifestyle, what is the additional monthly expense that you're going to have on top of your mortgage, and what are you getting for your dollar? Because you really need to be looking at the big picture, and if you're looking at financing, lenders do take these things into consideration. The other thing is what you are willing to give and take. Because of the rules for condo living, you need an expert to review the condominium documents. And you need to know what the rules are before you have a firm deal. So if certain things are important to your lifestyle and you're not sure if those condominium documents match what you need, then you need to work with a realtor who has experience in this field. That is a little glimmer about condominiums and the difference between an apartment, a townhouse, and a bare land condo. Well, I hope those little tidbits helped you out this morning. And when you're looking to make a move, please give me a call. I'd be happy to show you the difference between an apartment condo, a bare land condo, or just a townhouse condo. Yes, there are different types of condos, so it can get a little confusing. You want to work with an expert who knows what they're talking about and knows how to keep your best interests at heart. I'm Diane Planidin with Royal LePage Benchmark, and when you're looking to make a move, give me a call.